worksheet on multiplying with exponents. So let's just go over a few of these problems, and then we'll go over dividing in a second video. All right, so remember it's a multiply problem. 9 times 9 is 81. And then I'm going to multiply the bases that are alike. So I start with my x. I've got 1x here and 5 more here. So if I have a x times 5 more x's, that would be x to the 6th power. There are 6 x's that are being multiplied, so it would be x to the 6th power. Then when I do y, I've got 2 y's and 2 more for a total of 4. So my answer is 81, x to the 6th, y to the 4th. For number 16, it says 6 times 6 is 36. I'm only going to go over the even problems. X squared times x to the 3rd. So there's 2 x's and then 3 more for a total of 5 x's, or x to the 5th power. And there's not any y's here to combine with those 4 y's, so I just leave it as y to the 4th. So the answer for that one is 36, x to the 5th, y to the 4th. All right, then let's do 18 and 20. So 18. This is an understood 1. Okay, they're not going to put a 1 there. You can write it if you need it, or you can just think, well, this is nothing, it's not going to change the 4, so it's just 4. Or 1 times 4 is 4, either way. And then I've got one u being multiplied and another u being multiplied. So u times u would be u to the 2nd power. And then v, if I've got one v and I've got 5 more, that's a total of 6 of them being multiplied. For number 23 times 7 is 21. U to the 4th, u to the 2nd. There's 4, 5, 6 of them, so u to the 6th. Again, remember, when you multiply with exponents, the rule is that you add your exponents. And then v to the 5th, v to the 3rd would be v to the 8th power. Okay. All right. Now we move on to a power to a power. I know this is a power to a power problem because there's a parenthesis and an exponent on the outside and on the inside. So the rule is when I have a power to a power, I multiply. So I'm going to multiply my powers or my exponents. So what is 4 times 4? 16. So it's p to the 16th power. Okay? You can think about it like this. P to the 4th 4 times would look like this if I wrote it all out. So 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 4 is 16. But it's a lot shorter to know that the shortcut rule is that you multiply. Power to a power, you multiply your exponents. All right, 7k squared. Remember, both of these have a 1 here. So I'm multiplying the powers together. 1 times 2 is 2. So this becomes 7 to the 2nd power. 1 times 2 is 2, so it becomes k to the 2nd power, or k squared. 7 squared would be 49. 7 times 7 is 49. So the answer for this problem would be 49k to the 2nd power, or 49k squared. And for number 26, again, this is an understood 1, exponent of 1 here. So 4 times 1 would be 4. So 2 to the 4th power. 2 times 4 is 8. So b to the 8th power. 2 to the 4th power means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So this answer is 16b to the 8th power. Now, if it was a large number here, like if you had 7 to the 8th power, I would expect you to actually multiply that out. You could leave it as 7 to the 8th power. But when it's something simple, I would like for you to multiply it out, okay? All right, so hopefully that helps. The next video for today will be on dividing, and then your work today will be on dividing with exponents as well.